Okay, so I'm walking in this part of the cemetery that you can see here. Um, it gets to the older part, and this is actually where I've been with a few people that have been really sensitive, and 9 out of 10 times, I'm talking about like my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, they're sensitive, my wife, other people who I've investigated with here that were sensitive, my friend Mike, that's in another video that was shot here. All have the same like oppressive feeling, and they get disorientated, and some of them, they say their stomach hurts, and the spirits here that talk say that it's there's like an evil presence or something like that. And I was just walking, and then all of a sudden I was like, I couldn't tell north from south, east from west, and the air here is really heavy, and I've never seen it so gloomy here. I've been here 1,000 times, and it's just really gloomy. So I'm heading over here this way. It is. Is there spirits nearby me now? Are you walking with me? Do you remember me? Okay. This flower pot right here just made a noise when I walked by it. I'll just... I hope that was on the audio, because I most definitely heard. It sounded like water falling on it, but it's damp out here, but it's not raining at all, and I definitely heard that flower pot make a noise. Does that mean that you do remember me? And that you are walking with me? I've been here with my sons before. I've been here with my entire family. You've talked to just about all of us. Why are you here? Why do you stay here? I come back over there with the millimeter.